How to appear offline on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Log into your account, then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. You'll find Settings. Click on Settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Settings, scroll down till you find Privacy. Simply click on Privacy, which is below Account and above Avatar. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Last Seen and Online option, which is the first option, and make sure the green dot is in Nobody. After you've kept it in Nobody, you will appear offline on WhatsApp. And this is how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.